Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing some slimes out, and yeah. So the slime I'm testing out it's going to be hand soap and glue and toothpaste, glue, and a Tide Pod. No, not a Tide Pod. Just those two. Wait. So yeah, so let me get the stuff ready, and I already tried making some slime with other stuff, so yeah. So the first one I'm going to be using is hand soap and glue. Let me get the glue. So you're going to need glue. You're going to need glue and hand soap. The hand soap is in the bathroom. I just don't feel like getting it. So you're going to need, depends on how much slime you want. You're going to want to put that amount of glue. I just want a tiny slime. That's not enough. Okay, so there's my glue. I'm gonna put this back in my drawer. Gonna get the toothpaste because we're gonna do toothpaste on actually. I've already tested the hand soap out. I did a video on the other channel. So it don't work. I shouldn't do that. Hand soap don't really work. Only foam soap works. Mine need foam. Let's get it started. I only have a little bit of glue, so I don't need that much toothpaste. Something in the toothpaste activates it, but you still need a lot of activators. Don't be that stretchy though. That's the only part I hate about it. Well, I don't hate it. I just don't like it. Because I like stretchy slime, not stiff one. Chip it in the back sheet. But zoom. Oh no, it's getting everywhere. Yay. See, oh, this works. Didn't know that. Yes, it's the only slime we're making. So this one. Yeah. Okay, so we're testing toothpaste slime. It worked. I just crumbled it up because I don't like keeping slime. It just gets everywhere for me. So, bye guys. I love you so much.